Did you know that you could build hundreds and thousands of backlinks without doing any manual work? Yes, it's true. It's now 100% possible thanks to a brand new software that makes it one click easy. Introducing Backlink Machine, an amazing new plugin for WordPress that can help you get more backlinks for your website on complete autopilot. When we used this software on a WordPress blog, one of our sites jumped from page 3 in Google to the first page in just 2 weeks. And not just that, several customers of Backlink Machine have had the same kind of results. Increase in rankings, increase in traffic, and of course, increase in income from their sites. It's a known fact that more backlinks help you rank higher in Google. Now, several top SEO authorities have said the same exact thing. Many studies have proven that getting more backlinks to your site can help you increase your rankings. But the hardest part of SEO is building backlinks for your sites, and that's exactly what Backlink Machine can help you with. This software will get backlinks for your keywords from a network of over 5,000 blogs that we maintain and keep on growing. And the best part is, it's completely on autopilot. Want to see how it works? Okay, let me show you. Once you install Backlink Machine, just like a normal plugin, you will see the plugin activated on the left menu right here. Now just go into the post section and create a new post on your WordPress site, of course. Add a title and content, and then scroll down to add some keywords. Now, these are the keywords that you want to use to get backlinks for your site. Now, publish your post, and Backlink Machine will automatically use those keywords to build backlinks to that blog post. Yes, backlinks, built automatically as soon as you publish your new post. Isn't that amazing? You can also increase or decrease this setting by going into the Backlink Machine settings and specify how many backlinks should be built when you publish a post. Now, if you have older posts on your blog, you could build backlinks for them too. Just go into the Backlink Machine plugin in the left menu right over here, and you will see a list of all your posts and pages. You could click on Build Backlinks, and then in the pop-up, define the keywords and how many backlinks you want. Press one button and the software will send off our minions to build backlinks for you, so to speak. It's that simple. If you want to check on your backlinks and see a report, you could go into the log section here and see that report. It could take anywhere between 48 to 72 hours for your report to show up because we automatically drip feed all the links so it appears more natural to Google. Have you ever seen anything that is this easy to use and yet build backlinks for your sites? The software is simple, it's fast, and it's push button. And also, don't forget, it's fully automated and builds backlinks as soon as you publish a new post. So no more hiring expensive SEO agencies to build backlinks for you. Now you can get thousands of backlinks for your sites for the price of a pizza. Many of our customers are extremely happy with their results and are enjoying the time and money that they are saving using Backlink Machine. Their sites are jumping up in rankings and they're making more money day in and day out. So what are you waiting for? Take action now and download your copy of Backlink Machine today. Put your backlinks on autopilot for a small one-time price and take your sites higher up in the rankings starting today. All you have to do is click the button below and download Backlink Machine right now.
Hey, this is Ankur Shukla here, and today I want to show you a quick demonstration of the new Backlink Machine 2.0 software. Now, Backlink Machine 2.0 is something we created because we want to actually help you get higher rankings on Google and Yahoo and actually get more free traffic from these sites. Now, backlinks play a huge role in SEO because that is what actually helps you rank higher. But getting backlinks is the hardest part. That's why we made a network of over 10,000 sites from where we can actually give you those backlinks, and that's exactly what the Backlink Machine software does for you. So once you install the Backlink Machine software on your site, just like this, you will actually see a screen just like this. So the Backlink Machine software will appear in the left menu over here inside your WordPress site, and when you click on this, you will see a list of all your WordPress posts on the site. Now on this screen, you can see the on-page SEO analysis of your post, which is what something the Backlink Machine 2.0 also does. And then you can enter your target keyword over here, let's say SEO ranking. and then save this keyword. So now this post basically targets the SEO ranking keyword, and then it automatically analyzes if all these factors match up, because these are important for on-page SEO. So you should basically make sure that your content, your title, your H1, H2 tags are having these keywords. Also, after that, you can click on the Get Backlinks button over here and then start your backlink campaign. So here you can actually enter your keywords, let's say SEO ranking, SEO analysis, SEO marketing, and you can basically enter any number of keywords you want. You can also get keyword ideas from here by clicking on this button, and it'll actually give you some keyword ideas for your site and basically automatically analyze the content of your site and give you those keywords. All right, so basically all these keywords will pop in and then actually show you all these things. Now some of them will be useful and some of them won't be, so you can just remove the ones that you don't like. All right, after that, select the number of backlinks you want. Also, Backlink Machine 2.0 shows you the kind of sources you can actually use for backlinks. So we have a mixed kind of platforms. We have social media profiles, we have social networks, forum profiles, URL shorteners, Wikimedia sites, wiki articles, do follow backlinks from various blogs, article directories, and blog comments as well. So I would prefer to use a mix of platforms. And then you can also select the categories of your site, so you can actually get targeted links. So let's say my site is about affiliate marketing. I will select this so I can actually get targeted backlinks from similar kind of sites. After this, all I have to do is click this button called Get Backlinks, and then it will start building my backlinks. Now, building your backlinks takes anywhere from 24 to 48 hours, and then that's where the campaign processes and you can download your backlink report. We drip feed these backlinks for the next 4 to 10 days so that it appears natural to Google, because we don't want to rush everything and we don't want it to look that it's been done very quickly. So basically we drip feed these links for your benefit. Also, apart from this, you can also have internal links here, so you can actually add more keywords and link internally to your site, so all your posts can actually interlink automatically, which is really good for your SEO. You can also check for rankings, so you can actually enter the keyword here, let's say SEO ranking, and then it will check for your top 50 results on Google and see if your site is present in that top 50 or not. Now, of course, our site is a new site and is not ranking here, but if it does, it will start highlighting that section and show you your ranking. Also, you can actually see your logs here, and then once the ranking is done, so you can see our request here is processing, but once it is done, you can actually download the backlink report over here, and then you can see your backlink report and that it has been completed, and you have article directories in this other example, and you can download the backlink report over here and you can see them, and you can see the exact URLs of your backlinks in this section. So if you go here, you will see the exact URLs of your backlinks, and you can actually see that these are your backlinks where we have built the links for you. So this is exactly how the backlink machine works, and you can actually start building links for your sites automatically using this software without any manual work, and start ranking higher in Google, Yahoo, and other search engines, and start making more money and sales. Thank you.
Hi everybody, Dr. Samir Joshi here. I'm a successful online and offline entrepreneur. Now, if you own a website, you know the importance of high quality backlinks. You need backlinks so that your website ranks high in search engine rankings. Now, the simplest and easiest way you'll ever see to create these backlinks is something that I just got done testing, and that's Ankur Shukla's Backlink Machine. Now, this is an awesome WordPress plugin that your site uses basically to create all the backlinks that it needs, and there's a lot of control provided by this plugin, and you'll get high quality backlinks with a network of 5,000 blogs that Ankur and his team diligently manage so that your site can rank high in search engine rankings as well. With that said, I highly recommend this tool to you, to your success. Dr. Samir Joshi signing off.